Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you all were asking what my profile is, in which university I am studying and what course I am studying. So today we'll talk about it. So let's get started. So I have started my masters in distributed systems engineering at Technical University of Dresden. So I applied for this course for winter semester 2024. TU Dresden is basically like one of the top 9 technical university here in Germany, and this course has very limited seats, so like just a 20 people intake. So you should check what intake you have in your course, and you get the admission or not in that. A lot of people are confused that this course is purely hardware. So no, this also includes the software part, which is like developing. Basically includes the back-end development, the large-scale systems, even confidential computing or DevOps side. This course doesn't have any AI or ML related courses. Yeah, you can take the electives, but they are not included in this course. One interesting thing about this course is it has a mandatory internship in either second or third semester, so you get to even earn and also get to experience this in the actual industry. This course is good for people who are aiming for back-end development or full stack development and not for the data science ones. If you have a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or the related field, you can apply for this course. So now we'll look into what my profile looks like. So first I have my bachelor's degree in information technology from Mumbai University. So this is under the H+ category in the ANABIN database. So do check if your university is mentioned there or not. The second thing is I had given my GRE, which is not at all compulsory, but since the admissions are competitive, if you give it, it's an edge for you. I had got 318 out of 340 in my GRE, and the distribution like in quantitative, verbal and essay, I'll just mention it here, what scores I had got. Then I gave my IELTS, where I received 8 bands. Also my CGPA in bachelor's was 9.16 out of 10, which comes to 1.4 out of 4 in German, the German GPA. Apart from that, after my bachelor's, I had 2 years of work experience as a software engineer. So I was a full stack developer there. So yeah, relevant experience for my course as well. So I was done with all the exams and APS certificate application by I think September, or I applied it in September and I got it in November, my APS certificate. So all my documents were ready. I applied to around 11 universities and I received admit from 7 of them. So I applied to RWTH in December and rest of the universities from March to May. So that is the application period for winter semester, that year winter semester. I will list down all the universities I applied and where I got the admits and where I got the rejections here. And I will also like to tell that it is not like if the university rank is lower, it means that you will get the admit instantly, and if the university rank is higher, you might not get. It totally depends on your LOM, the letters of recommendations, and there are many factors how overall your profile is for that university and for that course. And apart from that, if your course requires experience, just don't mention that you have experience in this. If you have proof like an LOR or experience letter from that company, it will always be helpful for that. So that is all for this video. I hope you liked it, and do share it with all the people who are planning to come for masters for this summer semester or the next winter semester. If you have any doubts, I'll also put a link of my LinkedIn profile in the description box, and you can connect, or also you can comment under this YouTube video. Till then, yes, like the video, share it with more people and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.